Guys, don't be that guy and do not overclock your laptop CPU graphic card. Do not install overclocked BIOS bullshit. Don't be that guy. I did this for 4 years. This clock rate was always 900, 700, 600. Never was cooling down. RAM was always 2000. Because of that overclocked BIOS. Only cool it down. This is how I use now. I installed two industrial grade, one desktop fan, and this is how I cool it down. Please do not install overclocked BIOS. Just cool it down, and you can always keep it in top performance. I mean 900 megahertz for my GTX 765M. It will always keep them at 900 or 8 or 750. Even 700 is enough. But if you use overclocked BIOS, the fan will always work, and it will not cool it down enough. Nothing will ever be enough to cool it down. The algorithm in original is much better. If it goes if it over throttles, sorry for my English, if it over throttles, it will go low as 600, but with the overclocked BIOS the temperature goes so high, it will that will not be enough. I want to show you something else. I just use this is the most I use HV info fan control. Make it 400, 4500, 4500 is the same. I open this one. I open the fan and turn on my fans like this, and open my counterstrike, and I don't know if anyone guessed this, but on my counterstrike I can get over 80, 90 FPS, even 120 sometimes. Generally it is around 80 FPS, and my computer monitor is good. Let me show you on the deathmatch. Wait, inshallah. It loads fast. It is here 120, it doesn't matter anything. I am using display port out. With this fan combination, tweaking the fan of the computer to 700 and putting two fans. The original fan is here.